Hello friends, today plant pathology basics part 6 video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And please join in Telegram channel, link is in description box. If you didn't watch part 5 plant pathology basics video, please watch that part 5th video, then only you can understand this video. You must be familiar with two terms, that is hyphae and mycelium. Hyphae is nothing but it is a thread-like structure and mycelium is mass of hyphae. Okay. And there are two types of hyphae, that is septate and aseptate. Septate is with cross wall and aseptate is without cross wall. That is aseptate multinucleate hyphae is otherwise known as cenocytic hyphae. This cross wall is nothing but it is a partition. It is also known as cross wall. The various types of septa found in fungi are solid septa, perforated septa, bordered pith septa, ascomycetian type septa and doliposepta. About that only we are going to see in this video. That is, you can see in this picture, that is Oomycota and Zygomycota phylum contains this complete cross wall. This complete cross wall is solid septa, and Ascomycota contains this type of septa, and Bestiomycota contains Doliporum septa, and other mytosporic fungi contains this type of septa like perforated. Okay, and one by one I will explain. First is solid septa. Actually it is found in Oomycota. It is very important. It is found in Oomycota phylum. And it is complete cross wall. Solid means complete. And if you see the picture, you can see that is Oomycota and Zygomycota. It is complete cross wall. And next is perforated septa. That is perforated septa means simple septum perforated by number of small bodies. Example is Geotrichum species. If you see the picture, you can clearly understand. I will show later. That is small bodies will be present in between with some perforations. Next, coming to bordered pith type septa. The septal pore is surrounded by some overarching bifurcations. Okay, some bifurcations will be there. Examples are very important. Here example is Trichomycetes. And coming to Ascomycetian type septa. The speciality of this septum is they have large central pore. It is commonly found in phylum Ascomycota and Udinales and Ustraginales. That is Udinales for rust and Ustraginales for smut. And that central pore is of 0.05 to 0.5 micrometer in diameter. This is also important to be noted. And coming to the Dolipore septa. Actually, Dolipore septa is a complex type septa with barrel-shaped central pore and a hemispherical cap. That hemispherical cap is known as paranthosome or pore cap. They are found in both monokaryotic and dikaryotic mycelium of Agrigomygotina. Agrigomygotina comes under phylum Bestiomycota. That is, you can see in this picture various types of septa. First, you can see Dolipora septum. It contains hemispherical cap, and border pith septum contains some overarching bifurcations, and Ascomycetian septum contains large central pore. You can see in this picture, and perforated septum contains some small bodies in between, and solid septum is completely cross wall is present. That's all. Types of mycelium are hyaline mycelium, colored mycelium, ectophytic mycelium, endophytic mycelium, monokaryotic mycelium, diplomycelium, dikaryotic mycelium, homokaryotic mycelium and heterokaryotic mycelium. About this only we are going to discuss now. First is hyaline mycelium. That is, the mycelium may be white or colorless. Okay. Based on presence of septum, they are divided into septate hyaline mycelium and aseptate hyaline mycelium. Example for septate hyaline mycelium is Fusarium species and aseptate is Pythium species. Examples are very important. And coming to the colored mycelium. That is, mycelium may be variously pigmented. There is also two types. Septate colored example is Alternaria species and aseptate colored example is mucorales. And ectophytic mycelium. Ecto means outside. That is, mycelium lives on the surface of the host. They live on the outside of the host. Example is Erysipeus species. Erysipeus species cause the disease powdery mildew. And coming to endophytic mycelium. Endo means what? Inside. That is, mycelium that penetrates and develop within the host tissue. That is inside. Example is Lavellula taurica. Lavellula taurica, it is a causal organism of powdery mildew of chili. And coming to the monokaryotic mycelium, that is, mycelium contains single nucleus. Mono means single. Karyo means nucleus. Mycelium contains single nucleus. It is known as haplomycelium. And diplomycelium, it refers to mycelium with diploid nucleus. Examples are very important. Example is Allomyces species. And dikaryotic mycelium. Mycelium has two sexually different compatible nuclei per cell. Actually, it denotes dikaryophase of life cycle of fungi. Example is smut fungi. It is very important example. Please take a note. And next is homokaryotic mycelium. Homo means same, karyon means nucleus. That is, mycelium contains genetically identical nuclei. It is called homokaryotic mycelium. Example, Aspergillus nidulans. And next is heterokaryotic mycelium. Mycelium contains nuclei of different genetic constituents. Is called heterokaryotic mycelium. And here the example is mucor and smut fungi. Heterokaryosis is a condition in which genetically different nuclei are associated in same mycelium. Actually, it is due to the result of mutation. Okay. That's all about today's video. If you have any queries, comment in comment section and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Share the video with your friends. Thank you. All the best.